friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super fun and easy. A cute little house with a smiling sun. Let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker, kids. First, let's draw the roof. It's a big triangle on top. Now let's draw a rectangle right under the roof. This is the house. Great job! Now draw a door, just a rectangle in the middle. And now a cute window, a square with a plus sign inside. Let's add a sun in the corner, draw a circle, and now little lines around it like sun rays. Now give the sun a cute little face, 2 eyes and a smiling mouth. Yay! The sun is happy too. Awesome job, everyone. Our house drawing is complete. Now let's make the outline bold and sharp. Go over all the lines with your marker again. Perfect. Look how nice and clean it looks. Yay! Now it's time to color. Let's bring our drawing to life. Red color for the roof. Wow! Orange color for the door. La 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 la. Yellow color for the sun. Green color for the house. Blue color for the window. Whoa! Look at all those bright colors. Well done, artists. Your house looks amazing and so colorful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more fun drawing videos from Toddlers Art Hub. See you next time. Bye-bye, little artists. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.